If you are a working woman, mother, a leader, or simply someone who's carrying too much, I want you to know these next 7 weeks are for you. So make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, watch the space for all the uploads I will be doing over the weeks. And we are ending up emotional cycles that have been held back for years now. And we are not just ending the year, we are ending the year gracefully to start the new year 2026 with loads of love, clarity, and balance with it. If every year feels like a repeat, my dear one, then this video is for you. Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to Magnetize Self with Rupa. Today, we are going to begin a wonderful journey of 7 weeks where I have put, I've thought through around months to an intention to only support you all to close 2025 gracefully and start the year 2026. For next 7 weeks, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I am planning to release one long format video on YouTube, which will again, as I said, gracefully help you, my dear ones, to support you to close 2025 gracefully and start the 2026 with all the with clarity, balance, complete emotional and energetic resets. So I hope you all be there with me 7 weeks and beyond. Make sure that you subscribe and comment. Let's deep dive. Today, we start with a powerful question. I want you to pause and reflect on something. Have you ever felt like you're repeating the same emotional patterns year after year, year after year, and year after year? No matter how much you try to change, something pulls you back. Life feels like a total loop. Same stress, same triggers, same overwhelm. It just subsides and comes up. It subsides and comes up. The same pattern is kind of looping you. My dear one, you're not alone. Most women, as I have met through my journey, have told me that, Rupa, I don't know why, but I feel stuck. If that resonates, watch this video completely. So here's the truth, my dear one. Stuckness is not the mindset issue. It's the emotional and the energetic loop. Stuckness is not a mindset issue. It is an emotional and energetic loop. Not because you're lazy, not because you're good enough, and not because you lack discipline. But it is because your nervous system has been memorized several patterns. Your inner feminine is frozen. Your masculine is overworking to compensate. And you're trying to think your way out of an emotional rage. And that never works, my dear one, because stuckness is rarely about not knowing what to do. It is almost always about feeling safe to move emotionally forward. And let me repeat it for you. Stuckness is rarely about not knowing what to do, but it is almost always not feeling safe to move safely emotionally. Today, I will be breaking down with only to simplify for you all that, there are 3 reasons women feel stuck. And the first and foremost reason is emotional memory of past years. It's not just the memory, it's emotional memory of past years. Things you have never processed in 2017, 2020, 2023, and beyond still lives in your body. Still lives in your body. Every cell is a kind of memory for us. And it's a subconscious level memory that, Sadhguru says every memory doesn't stay here, it also stays every part of your body. Every single cell is a memory. Not just cell, even your energetic field also have memories. So they still live in your body. And what are these are resentments, guilt, fear, rejections, and overgiving. These emotions create loop and your system goes back, it goes back automatically there. And the second reason is overactive masculine energy. What do I mean by that? So as a females, our feminine aspect should be more active because of our nature. By nature, we are, our feminine system should be energy. I'm not saying it should be, of course, the balance is needed, but we need to, by nature, this has to be active for us. But what happens is we end up activating masculine energy, or overreactive or overly active masculine system or energy within our body, and we end up always being a women, working women. We end up in this modes, like, fixing mode, solving mode, taking care of everything mode, overthinking mode, giving mode, you know like, these days we call, breadwinner of the house. This masculine overdrive disconnects you from your intuition, grounding, and softness. If you're not conscious about this masculine energy overdrive disconnects you from intuition, grounding, and softness. It is like an inner feminine whispering in your head, but your masculine is shouting, and you're not able to hear your feminine aspect of life at all, of your own self. The third reason for what causes looping is emotional exhaustion, not physical. That is, most women say I'm tired, but what they really mean is I'm emotionally leaking, I'm carrying a little extra too much, I'm giving a lot but unable to receive, I'm holding everything together, everything is my responsibility to be held together. This emotional load becomes a cage for women who are struggling with these aspects. Think about it. Now that we have understood that the three main reasons why a woman or anybody feels stuck is emotional memory from the past years, overreactive masculine energy, and emotional exhaustion that is not physical. Now we have known these three reasons. Now let's understand what you need to break this cycle. A loop is a cycle, right? So what you need to do, let's understand what you need to do to break this cycle. Now, step one is acknowledging your emotional pattern. Acknowledging your emotional pattern. That is, say this out loud, saying, I am not stuck, I am looping. But this has to be not in terms of just words. There should be a lot of vibes, there should be an awareness, there's an acknowledgement. In the physical realm, I want you to have all of this and say this loud, I am not stuck, I am looping. Okay? And this takes a lot of self-blame and puts you into a self-awareness. So, when you take that responsibility of that, having an understanding or awareness that you're looping and you're not stuck, it will give you a lot of, that emotional, jolt, and it will help you to walk towards self-awareness. The next step is name what you are actually feeling. Name what you are actually feeling. Most women get stuck because of fear, and they get stuck because of guilt, responsibility, overthinking, overgiving, fear of disappointing someone, excluding herself, fear of losing connection. No matter what, there should be a connection. So once you name it, the power reduces. The first step is to acknowledge, come into an awareness that you're not stuck, but you're in a loop. The second step is, what is that you're stuck, or what is that you're going in loop, and what is that fear you have. You have to sit with all this, okay? You cannot just, as you listen to this, you may not be able to think through. Write down these steps, and once you're done with this video, when you have your steps written and understood, sit with yourself, not anybody else. Sit with yourself and listen to you. So, what do we need to break this cycle or this loop? Let's talk about freedom. Not a motivational freedom, not a productive freedom, but emotional freedom, my dear one. Because without that, nothing will change. Now, I would like to share the 3-step method that I learned and implement in my life and share readily whoever comes to me for coaching. When you sit with yourself with that attention, love, and care, it will help you with the step 3. The step 3 is all about reconnect with your feminine and the part that moves you forward. Your feminine energy is your intuition, flow, inner guidance, emotional wisdom, and soft power. When your feminine aspect or the energy within you rises, your stuckness resolves or melts down. So I would want you to close your eyes for a moment as you listen to me. Tell this: I choose to break the cycle before 2026 or 2026. I choose to break this cycle or the loop within me, what you've identified, right? So you're going to tell, I choose to break the loop or the cycle before 2026. Say it again, close your eyes, say it again. Let every cell reverberate this statement in your body. Okay? I would want you to pause this video, say it once or twice, note it, and then continue. I hope you could resonate and feel the love for your own self. And I would like to discuss, or I would like to share here how would this upcoming 7 weeks, including this video, will help you. Over next 7 weeks together, this is just a day one, right? So over this 7 weeks, we will together work on releasing emotional baggage from 2025 or beyond. Reset your feminine aspect, or reset your feminine aspect and bring a balance between feminine and masculine within yourself, energy system within yourself. Help you or give you a direction to heal deep core wounds within you, break patterns of guilt, resentment, rejections, betrayal, and rebuild your self-worth, restore clarity, softness, and confidence, and reboot your 2026 identity, the version you are ready to use, my dear one. So let's leave. So as we take bath every day, we let go of all the accumulated dirt, and we flush everything, right? In the same way, let's bathe for next 7 weeks to make sure that we release or we flush all the non-serving emotional blockages. Let's revamp ourselves, reset ourselves for 2026. If this message touched you or you felt that I can support you, make sure that you drop a comment in the below comment box saying that I am ready to break the cycle, Rupa, bring it on. Yeah. And make sure, before you move on, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon, follow this 7-week journey with me, and hit the like button, share this video or the playlist with somebody who would need it, because together we are going to close 2025 with grace and step into 2026 with clarity, radiance, and a self-rebooted identity. So it is a self-rebooted identity. I'm just a support. Everything is that you're doing by yourself only. If you listen, take note, work on it, reflect, make an intention, be in awareness, live every moment as a choice. Then, my dear one, the life is yours. So what I've tried to do is, it's a kind of series which I'll put it in a playlist from 1 to end. So 21 videos or something I will be creating. So all the 21 videos will be put in one playlist, which will be very helpful for you to start. If you're starting in between, probably you might have to start from this video. It will be a logical structure for all the videos. It is kind of, I'm trying to share my experience and my learnings with all of you guys. So every episode will be built on the previous one. By the end of 7 weeks, you will just have to feel better. So you'll just not feel better by the end of 7 weeks. I want you to feel reborn to face 2026 and make it your year. So my beautiful soul, wonderful being, make sure that you stay connected, watch every episode, take notes, reflect, and witness your own transformation. I hope you're all with me. If there is any doubts, please make sure that you put a comments in the comment box. I would love to read through and see what best I can provide support for you with respect to this video series. And without reflecting, without you taking notes, without acting on yourself, just listening does not help. So make sure that you take notes, you reflect, and work on yourself. Be a conscious being. Keep an intention to reset yourself this year so that you can start 2026 with an intention that you will make 2026 as your year. of your choice, of your dream. And let's blossom, let's work together, and let's blossom, flourish to make 2026 a beautiful one that is the best year till date. Yeah? If you want a deeper guidance and tools, you can also join me on WhatsApp, which is a broader community for built, which I have created to only for wonderful souls like you. Make sure that you register to the upcoming masterclass. Currently under, still the date is not known currently as I record this. So it's for working women, and the link is provided in the description below or in my bio. Make sure that you register to it. Once you register, it will redirect to a WhatsApp group. Make sure that you join the WhatsApp group so that we can connect more closer and collaborate more closer. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing yourself to reset yourself before 2026 is started. And I will see you on the other side post registration. Loads of love. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so that next upload will be notified to you. Thank you. Loads of love.